Hey guys, good day to you. Today I would like to share with you how to make this 3D card like this. So first of all, just log into your Canva, the interface page like this, and then you can choose one of these dimension. So I just choose this one, Facebook post. So there will be look like this design. So first of all, what I do is I need one of these footprint. So these footprints, basically you can searching in the element, you just searching about the footprint. So previously I already searching this footprint. So here the name is called dog path icon. So once you get this icon, you can make the size like this, and then you can apply some animals and then replace the color inside. So for example, I use these turtles, and then I change the turtle color is what I want, and then I just place it. For example, for example, I just place it like this. Then these turtles, the name is called illustration of turtles. So basically it's not so hard to find in the elements, and then you also can put some animals this picture inside. So for example, I also can put this pink color, this hair, this rabbit over here. Then I can come in here to chop the size like this. Okay, and then I click done. So you can see this rabbit is, then you can adjust the location, you can adjust the position. So it's like this. However, you can see things come out a bit, but doesn't is a big issue or matter. Later on I will let you know how I can solve this problem. So I also can select maybe some PG, then I can change. So this type you can change the color. So what color I used previously? Okay, pink, orange color. So you can change maybe this color as well, or we'll replace this same color, then we'll be matching the result I want. So I can put like this, okay, like this. Then I also can come to crop it. So here I will make the video So we just click this one, the dog footprint. We right click, copy it, and then just paste it over here. So here I want to do is I change this background color becoming black. Then this color I change to white. Okay, I change to white. Okay, so it's look like this. So if you are Canva free user, so you can direct download this page number 3, then upload one more time. But before you upload, the time is you have to remove the white color this portion. So you have many way to remove it. So for example, if you are the Mac user, you can come into this photo and then click this pencil tool, then coming to this magic, look like magic wave. So the name is called Instant Alpha. Then you just click it, and then you just come in and press and drag this. Then you can press delete button, so he will help you to remove. Or now I undo the first. or you can come into the Photopea, or maybe the remove BG, or if you are the Canva the Pro account user, you also can upload one more time the picture and then do it the remove BG, like an edit image, and then you can come in here to press remove BG as your function. Sorry about that. So here you can press this one to come in here to make this one like this. Okay, now you can get this one. So before I do any further, just want to remind you, we just come in here, edit image, and then we change the color becoming white. Change color becoming white color. Okay, then press button apply. Before we go any further, just let you know, we can lock it, but I have put something the text over here. So what I want to do is, now I just make this one, put one side first. So now I have to group all this one. Okay, so I have to group this one. So I highlight these animals and dog footprint, group it. Okay, now I can adjust going up like this position. Okay, so here the overlay, the picture, just put back to this square and then adjust to up. So now we can see this overlay is cover it. So now I can lock it like this. Now I can insert some text over here. So maybe I can just put over here. Then I can check. Okay, this is good. Alignment is okay, it's good. So now what I want to do, I can download this one and then remove the white color. So now just coming here, share, download the picture, the type is PNG, select the type is about page number 2, done, download. So now we can go into Photopea. Once we come into the Photopea, so we can come into the PSD template, just click in. So we can use like this, it's called paper logo mockup. Just press it and then we can see this one for the we'll just click this one, the color is highlighted, just press it. So he will bring the new page, is look like this outcome. So now we just need to come over. Okay, so we now before we do apply anything from this page, we back to here, close it. We can click this one, open from computer. So just now I'm download this one, just upload, come to this magic wand, just click it, magic wand, click it, then click outside the white color and then press the button delete. So we can see the outcome is look like that. We also will find out some color didn't be removed, but never mind. You just come to this P inside, press and drag, delete, press and then drag, delete. So following by this step, you can remove all the white color. So this is very easy to use if your client is asking about some paper logo or the name cup logo, 3D logo for the demo, for the mockup. So you can do it in the simple way. So now it's look like this is okay already. Happy about this outcome. Just come to the files and then come to export as PNG, and then gives this name is about, okay, I press pet shop -22, so press save. So now you save with the, this is remove the background or transparent background. So now we back to this one. We just double click so we can see this layer 1 is over here. So we just coming to the eyes, just press it, so he closed it. So now we just need to come to files, open and place, just now the file name, upload, so we can see these over here. Before we do any further, just to make sure your this design, you can adjust a little bit as you wish. Once you're happy this position, just coming up here, tick confirm, tick confirm. After you tick to confirm, you come to the files, come to here is called save smart object or command S, control S. Okay, press it. Once it coming this pop up, just back to the mockup, and then we can see this final result. So this is today I'm sharing. I hope you enjoy this video and see you in the next video soon. Bye bye.